Good morning students. Jai Swaminarayan. Thought for the day is I don't love studying. I hate studying. I like learning and learning is a beautiful. And that thought said by the Natyal Portman. Okay, they are saying that I hate studying. That means without clearing concept, without understanding concept, you just learn or you just studying of that subject, so it is a meaningless and it may be bored to you. But when you understand the concept, clear the concept, you just love them. Okay students, that means every time whenever you study, you just learn that things. Okay, not only study or not only learn. Got it? Students, in previously video we had completed our lesson, that is trip to Bhopal. Up to which which boat do we take? Okay, which boat do we take? And today we have started that which boat they are taken by the students. कौन सी बोट वो ट्रैवलिंग के लिए या बोटिंग करने के लिए चूज करते. There are the number of options are there. Okay, they are so lost in puzzle that they do not notice they have reached the lake. Okay, previously I said that that students gaming that puzzle games, everyone saying that puzzle and answering them, and so because of that puzzle, they all lost in that puzzle. So say unrememberize that they reach to the lake. Okay, the lake is very beautiful at this time. There are lot of ducks and making loud noise. Some children give them a popcorn. जब वो लेक पे पहुंचे तो वहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ डक्स क्या कर रहे थे, स्विम कर रहे थे. दे आर मेकिंग loudly now noise and some children's giving the popcorn to it. Now comes the exciting part. It's a time go for a boating. वेरी सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट था उस लेक का. दे आर द बोटिंग and they have to choose which boat to take, but that is not easy. बोट से ट्रैवलिंग करने के लिए फर्स्ट दे हैव टू चेक, दे हैव टू सिलेक्ट वन बोट, but it is not easy. Why it is not easy? Because there are number of choices with different prices as well as variant timing also. There are the different kinds of boat. Each has a different ticket price and also different trip times. Okay, there are four boats are also there. Double decker boat, paddle boat, motor boat and boat with oars. Got it? But every boat having the different ticket price and every boat having the different times. Okay, for the traveling. So they are the confusion. So they are saying that it's not so easy. For of us will take a paddle. That one girl saying that four of us will take a one paddle boat and race with Gauri and her group. They are saying that we just make the four groups of students and just take one boat. Then another was saying we will take the motor boat. It is the costly but more fun. Got it? Because that boat with oar having the least price, that is the 15 rupees, and maximum time they are giving the 45 minutes. Got it? Double decker car ticket price is 30 and trip time is 45. Paddle boat it's a 15 rupees but 30 minutes. Motor boat it's 25 rupees cost and 20 minutes it's a trip time. Okay, let us take a oar boat. It is a not costly. We get a more time for peaceful ride. So they are decided कि they take oar boat. Okay, somehow deciding they take oar boat, and that boat having the totally least amount of ticket price, it's a 15 and maximum time it's a 45 minutes. So they are decided they take that boat and taking peaceful ride. Okay, in that lake. Hey, we are going on the double decker. It is also has a music. It costs a lot but we get a more time. But another girl is saying that no, I want the double decker. It is that boat also has a music and cost is little bit high but we get a more time also. Double decker का timing कितना था? 45 minutes, as same like the boat with oar, but price is डबल ऑफ दैट बोट ओवर, डबल ऑफ बोट ओवर की टाइमिंग प्राइस है 15 रुपीज और डबल डेकर का प्राइस है 30 मिनट्स. ओके. इंदिरा एंड भानु first went in the motor boat and then took the oar boat. Okay, Indira and Bhanu, they will go, yeah, they would be go with the boat, that is a motor boat. Okay, that is a cost 25 rupees per 20 rupees. And after that they are taking ride of oar boat. How much did they pay for the both boats? How many rupees? They are taking both two rides. One ride for the motor boat and other ride for the oar boat. So I am calculated here total price paid by that boat, ticket price for the motor boat and ticket price for the car boat. Okay, या oar boat. तो oar boat का price है 15 and that is motor boat का है 25. तो 25 plus 15 it's a total 40 rupees. That means both have pay for the two trips, it's a 40 rupees. Then next question, how much time did they get for both rides? Both rides के लिए, दोनों बोट के राइड के लिए उनको कितना टाइम मिल गया? How much time they are taking for both the rides? That is the, for the motor boat, what time it was? It's a 20 minutes. And for oar boat, its time is a 45 minutes. So 20 plus 45, it's a 65 minutes. Got it? Then next question, one group of children went for the double decker trip. They had paid 4,050 rupees in total. How many children went for the double decker trip? Okay, one group of children, they went for the double decker trip and they totally paid, that is a 450 rupees. Then they are asking to us, how many children went for the double decker trip? तो कितने चिल्ड्रंस ने डबल डेकर ट्रिप अरेंज की? बिकॉज ऑफ वन cost of one time trip, that is of double decker is the 30 rupees. So total they are paying, that is the 450. So number of children went for the double decker trip is equal to total paid rupees of by that students divided by ticket price. So total paid है 450 एंड टिकट का प्राइस है 30. 0 कट हो जाएगा. 45 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 यानी 3 1s are 3 5s are. अगर आपको यहाँ पे नहीं था, ये जस्ट डू बैक साइड ऑफ दैट. सो 15 3s are. दैट मीन्स हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रंस ट्रैवल बाय दैट डबल डेकर बोट? 15 children. That means 15 multiplied by 30, it's a 450 rupees cost. Got it? Next one question. Which boat makes two trips in a 1 hour? Which boat make two trips in 1 hour? Okay, 1 hour में कौन सी boat दो ट्रिप अटेव करेगी? That means the boat which has a trip time is equal to half an hour. जिस बोट को ट्रैवल करने के लिए या ट्रिप को अचीव करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है? हाफ आवर लगता है. वही बोट 1 आवर में क्या करेगी? 2 राउंड कंप्लीट करेगी, 2 ट्रिप कंप्लीट करेगी. तो विच बोट इट वॉज? दैट बोट इज अ पैडल बोट. ओके, पैडल बोट taking the time, it's a 30 minutes and 30 minutes means what? It's a half an hour. Okay, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. तो half an hour में अगर वो 1 ट्रिप कंप्लीट करती है तो 1 आवर में कितने ट्रिप कंप्लीट करेगी? इट्स अ 2 राउंड. ओके, सो पैडल बोट मेक्स अ 2 ट्रिप इन द 1 आवर. ओके, गॉट इट? देन नेक्स्ट वन, which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? Which boat takes less than half an hour? कौन सी बोट लेस देन हाफ आवर में क्या करती है? ट्रिप कंप्लीट करती है. विच बोट टेकिंग लेस देन हाफ एन आवर? दैट इज अ 20 minutes. इट्स लेस देन हाफ ना, बिकॉज ऑफ 30 minutes इट्स अ हाफ. सो 20 minutes. विच टाइम विच बोट टेकिंग? दैट इज द मोटर बोट. ओके, दैट मीन्स मोटर बोट टेक्स लेस देन हाफ एन आवर टू कंप्लीट अ ट्रिप. गॉट इट? नेक्स्ट, which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? Which boat giving the इन मिनिमम प्राइस एंड मैक्सिमम टाइमिंग। कौन सी बोट ऐसी है जो मिनिमम प्राइस पे कम अमाउंट में उनको ज़्यादा टाइम तक राइड अवेलेबल करके देती है? तो दैट बोट इज विच बोट स्टूडेंट्स? प्रीवियसली स्टार्टिंग ऑफ दैट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, दैट इज द ओवर बोट. Oar boat taking only 15 rupees, but it given 45 minutes to ride the students. Got it? So oar boat is the answer. Next, Javed went twice for a boating. He paid total 40 rupees and boated 50 minutes. Which two boats did he take? ओके, जावेद ने क्या किया था? 2 टाइम राइड की थी एंड टोटल उसने 40 रुपीज पे किया था. तो एंड टोटल टाइम ऑफ दैट पीरियड इट्स 50 मिनट्स. तो विच 2 बोट्स डिड ही टेक? ओके, तो टोटल प्राइस इज इक्वल टू 15 प्लस 25, सो इज इक्वल टू 40 रुपीज. ओके, 15 प्लस 25 हो गया 40 रुपीज. गॉट इट? तो 15 रुपीज किसका है? इट्स अ टाइम ऑफ 30 मिनट्स एंड अनदर इट्स 20 मिनट्स. सो टोटल टाइम दैट इज द 50 minute. Got it, students? That means which boat it was taken? Maybe it's a boat with oar, but it take the 45 minutes. That means which boat? It's a paddle boat. Javed take one paddle boat and another it's a motor boat. दोनों का टोटल करोगे तो 15 प्लस 25 इट्स 40 मिनट्स एंड दोनों का टाइम टोटलिंग करोगे तो 30 प्लस 20 इट्स 50 मिनट. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट्स? देन लास्ट, टाइम टू रिटर्न. ओके, children enjoy different boat rides till the 4 o'clock. It is a time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. Okay, during the whole day of that picnic or that trip they are enjoy much. They went Bhimbetka. On that there they are seeing number of caves, and in that caves number of paintings are there. That paintings around the 10,000 years ago back. Okay, after that they are taking lunch and then riding also. Okay, in a boat riding, that is a lake. Got it? And that time after that completing all rides, it's time to return at the home. And whenever they come back to the home, they never stop anywhere. They are directly come to their hometown and they will take, it's 2 hours. So they should be reached Hausbanda by the how many time या which time they are reaching up that hometown? 4 o'clock को वहाँ पे उन्होंने ऐड किया था. That means they are taking 2 hours. So 4 plus 2 it's 6 o'clock. यानी वो 6 o'clock को अपने होम टाउन यानी हाउसगंदाबाद में पहुँच गए थे. Got it, students? From that our lesson, that is a trip to Bhopal, is completed. There are one practice time is there, MCQs are there given. There are 4 very old caves painting. Mark the oldest. यहाँ पे 4 old cave paintings दे और उनके years दे. तो सबसे ज़्यादा oldest कौन सी cave है? That one you have to find. 4,200 years old. Then B 1,000 years old. C 8,500 years old and 1,300 years old. तो सबसे ज़्यादा oldest which one के या which one painting? It was 8,500 years old. मतलब जितना ज़्यादा years back होगा उतनी वो oldest होगी. Got it? One bus carry 48 children. How many children can carry bus? Carry 3 buses carry. What about? Okay, one bus can carry 48 children. Okay, one bus कितनी बस चिल्ड्रंस को कैरी करती है? 48. तो अराउंड 3 buses कितने स्टूडेंट्स को कैरी करेगी? 48 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, इट्स नियर बाय अबाउट द 150. ओके, व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 48 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, they 24 and it's 144. That means it's near about the 150. Which pair of numbers add to make more than 500? इसमें से कौन से दो नंबर्स को ऐड करोगे तो यू विल गेट द 500. तो फर्स्ट वन देखो कितना आएगा, 152 प्लस 241, इट्स 393. ओके, इट्स लेस देन 500. देन 299 एंड 99, इट्स मे बी नियर बाय अबाउट कितना हो जाएगा, 300 एंड 100, इट्स नियर टू 400. ओके, द नंबर दैट 321 and 192, just count it, it's 514. ओके, कितना आता है देखो, 321, 192, it's 513. So that number of totaling of that number is the more than 500. Got it? And what happened at that time? Draw the lines to match. Cross the Narmada bridge. When the students cross the Narmada bridge at 9:10 a.m. At the morning 9:10 को उन्होंने क्या किया था? They are reaching to the, they are cross the Narmada bridge. Second है, look at the Bhimbetka painting. Okay, when they reach the Bhimbetka painting, it's about 11:30, because they are starting their journey at 9 o'clock, and after 2 hours it will become Bhimbetka, that's 11:30. At the petrol pump it's 9:30, because starting of the journey after 20 minutes they will be reached to the petrol pump. Boating in the lake, it about the 3 o'clock at afternoon. Okay, had taken lunch, it's 12:30 to 1 o'clock, and return to Hausgandabad, it's a time to 6 o'clock. Got it, students? And from next video we started our maths revision of the FA1 exam. Got it, students? You just completed that textual exercise and practice time in notebook also and in textbook also. Got it? Thank you.